Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ledger Live for syncing hardware wallets with MetaMask. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Ledger Live installed on your device. Open Ledger Live and connect your Ledger hardware wallet. Enter your PIN to unlock the device. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Settings tab. Select the Experimental Features option. Toggle on the Enable Wallet Connect feature. Next, head to the Accounts tab in Ledger Live. Choose the account you wish to sync with MetaMask. Now, open your MetaMask wallet in a separate browser tab. Click on the account icon in the top right corner of MetaMask. Select the Connect Hardware Wallet option from the drop-down menu. Choose Ledger as your hardware wallet option. You will need to connect your Ledger wallet again if prompted. MetaMask will detect your Ledger wallet and display your available accounts. Select the account you want to sync with MetaMask. Click on the Unlock button to proceed. Once unlocked, you will see your Ledger account appear in MetaMask. You can now manage your Ledger wallet directly through MetaMask. If you want to send or receive transactions, click on the corresponding buttons in MetaMask. Make sure to confirm transactions on your Ledger device for security. Now you can utilize MetaMask seamlessly with your Ledger hardware wallet. You have successfully enabled Ledger Live for syncing with MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.